So either you are using a paid tools or you are using a free tools, whatever the way you are going to do your product research, either for the drop shipping or whatever business model, doesn't matter. Calculating the break even cost, I will show you what I mean by that, is the most fundamental thing in the product research. So first of all, let me show you the example, what I mean by that. So first of all, if I come to eBay right here, I search something which is a yoga mat, for example. This is £12.95. So in order for me, before I actually go and look for supplier and all that kind of stuff as well, I will copy this price. I will go to our handy eBay and PayPal fee calculator. By this time you should be familiar with this one, as I mentioned this one where I mentioned the fee, all that kind of stuff as well. And then I put the selling price on eBay is £12.95. And then shipping charge for this one would go with the Hermes, with the packing, everything. We will put $2.95 because obviously we're going to use packing, all that kind of stuff as well. Shipping cost is actually $2.95. Shipping to the buyer is free. We're going to leave the item cost section empty, right? We're going to come down. And then the break-even cost comes, it says total profit, but say break-even cost is £8.04. Let's say £8. So now I have a figure in my mind is £8. Okay. Now the cheaper I can go than £8, that is going to be my profit, because I already calculated my fee. I already included the postage, and after that the break-even cost is £8. Now the cheaper I can buy the yoga mat than £8, that is going to be my profit. So I quickly searched on Alibaba just to show you, this is not for the product research, just to show you how the break even cost is useful. I found one right here. It can be customizable as well. These are the yoga mats by them. I mean, they can obviously put the name and all that kind of stuff as well, because this is, you can get them custom made just the way they done as well. This just a difference of packing right here. So because I know £8 is my break even cost, the cheaper I can source this product with landing than £8, that is going to be my profit. So I quickly went down right here. This price is normally on Alibaba, as I will explain further down as well, more in the details, that they don't really matter because it's all about talking to them. They just give you a rough idea. With the shipping, with the landing, everything, let's say I managed to get this one for $3 a piece, because it's say starting from 120 and then ending with the £3.10. So we just say with the landing and with everything, we're not going to go for minimum, with including everything, let's say $3 or even $4. Let's say that will be roughly £3 a piece. So now if my cost price is £3 a piece and the break-even cost is £8.04, I know £5 is going to be my profit after selling each and every yoga mats. So whatever the product you find, put the selling price right here, just put the postage, and then you will get a figure right here. This figure in my case is £8.04. This is the break-even cost, and the cheaper you can find the product. Not always, obviously, the cheaper is the option you can go for. This is not the only thing you keep in mind. Obviously, the packing of the product, quality of the product, how you're going to list it, how you're going to make the listing look like, how professional it is, how you can beat other sellers. All these kind of things doesn't matter, but the price is obviously the biggest factor. With this one, I know the cheaper I can go, this will be my profit. And in this case, I found a supplier which is, giving me £5 of profit. So this is the thing you have to keep in mind. Always calculate the break-even cost. That's how you do it.